Hello, my dear children. Welcome you all to our mathematics class. Let's start. Today, we will learn about number names from 1 to 5. So, what are number names? When you are representing a number in spelling or word, that is called number names. Let's see. This is 1. So, how I will write the spelling of 1? O N E 1. O N E 1. Next, this is number 2. So what is the spelling of 2? T W O 2. T W O 2. This is 3. T H R E E 3. T H R E E 3. Now 4. F O U R 4. F O U R 4. Now what is this? Yes, this one is 5. What is the spelling of 5? F I V E 5. F I V E 5. Hope you have understood the spellings. Thank you.